Hi guys, I am Vignesh. Now I am going to demonstrate about product lifecycle management course. In this course, you will learn a complete product lifecycle management. That is at different stages, seven different phases of stages, as well as the business cycle stages with an initial example. Okay, product lifecycle management is initially used by every companies to create a product from scratch to final marketing implements. Okay, these are the different strategies are implemented to know what is the main cycles they are used, how to develop a product using a PLM with an example. Because basically we know by with a lot of explanations also, but how it is implemented into the product using a one product and implementing a lot of strategies from a concept, design and development, marketing, supply chain. What are the different strategies and different departments are implemented to develop one product to the final design? Okay, how it is launched into a market? What are the technical complexities they faced from that? All that will be clearly explained with this examples itself. Once we know these clear strategies, we can able to develop a product and launch it into a market. Also, we can learn about the business cycle strategies. Basically, the product lifecycle stages as well as the business lifecycle stages are two different parameters. In the business lifecycle stages, there are four different stages are used. From after launching a product, there is a lot of cycles to be implemented from the growth stage, decline stage, what is the maturity levels they reached from its area, and how we need to rectify the product, what are the competitors' perspectives from that. All that will be clearly examined from the business life cycle stages itself. All that you are going to learn in our product life cycle management courses. Let's